Micah? Hey Mike, you use all the hot water again?
Sorry, just a sec. Oh my god. My ex just liked my post. He's so sad.
So I was like, okay, come on, calm down, Glenn. Blow. Because now if I eat a little blowfish, I'm gonna blow up like a fish. It wasn't a fish either. It was kind of something in between. And I was like, excuse me, lifeguard.
We just moved here from South Carolina about a year. And basically, we love hate. Did you say hate? No. Anyway, we just got a new apartment and it's so cozy. Tiny. Did you say tiny? No. Anyway, we are so happy to be leaving now. Tara, I'm bored.
Yes, I'll have the caviar and the creme fraiche. And then I'll have the white truffle roll. Well, your beef is dressed and
You and me, we're done. Have a nice life.
And what's the most expensive thing on the menu? I'll have two.